Are you looking for the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features. Suction power. The Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner provides 75% more suction power. Remove all types of dirt and extract deep stains with powerful suction. Quickly deep cleans your carpet surface and fastly dry carpet. Need maximum 4 hours or less dry carpet. Collapsible handle. Carpet-friendly wheels make Rug Doctor Carpet Cleaner more unique and user-friendly. Being carpet-friendly wheels, it's easy to pull and push. Collapsible handles use this carpet cleaner so that you can rotate this different angle, makes your cleaning task more comfortable. Because user-friendly handles do not change to break down or bend the handle. Because of the lightweight handle, it's easy to store. Trial size solution. Another interesting feature of this cleaner is trial size solution measurement. In manual paper it says normal carpet needs 60 ml detergent per tank and double amount solution is needed if the carpet becomes too messy. Dual cross brushes. Dual cross brushes remove stains permanently from carpet with a single drive pass. Its oscillating brushes deep clean your carpet. Roller bar brush automatically adjusts carpet height and polish, grooming your carpet's new look. Hard bristles effectively remove all types of tough stains from carpet, area rugs and upholstery. Breaks down stains. All types of carpet do not need the same suction power. Some carpet needs a super boost. Switch super boost settings while cleaning high traffic area carpet or area rugs. Deep cleans fabric. Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner, not only best for cleaning carpet, also expert for cleaning all types of the fabric surface. Carpet stairs, upholstery, furniture and doormats clean up with this carpet cleaner. Hose length 7.7 inch which easily clean up hard to reach areas. Simple lift tanks. Easy to fill and dump dirt tanks, and you can easily rinse the tank because of the wide mouth. Mix the cleaning solution with a measuring cup and pour it into a cleaner machine without hassle. Pros. Powerful suction removes hidden dirt from the carpet. Clean up all types of fabric furniture. Large dirt tank and easy to fill up empty dirt tank. Dry your carpet comparatively fast. Suitable for all types of carpet. The wheel is carpet friendly. Cons. Can't remove the brushes in the front machine. Not spray soapy water.